In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital downloads in Wix. Now, if you've been considering expanding your online store to include digital products, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the entire process, ensuring you have a solid understanding of how it's done. Let's get started. First, head over to your Wix site, and once you're there, navigate to the site dashboard. This is essentially your control center, where you manage all the aspects of your site. From your dashboard, you'll want to look for a section labeled Store Products, or sometimes simply Products. You might find this under a Sales, Store, or similar tab, depending on your site design. Once you've located the Products section, it's time to add a new product. You'll see an option to add a product, so go ahead and choose to create a new one. Here, it's important to select Digital Product. This is a crucial step because it differs from adding a physical product, and it enables you to sell files like PDFs, zips, and more. Now, let's move on to uploading the file you want to sell. It could be an ebook, a comprehensive guide, a set of digital templates, or any other file you've prepared. Ensure your file is polished and ready for buyers. Once uploaded, your next task is to set the price. Think carefully about your pricing strategy. Is it competitive? Does it reflect the value you're providing? Enter a compelling title, an engaging description, and don't forget to add some high-quality photos. These elements are your digital product's first impression, so make them count. Next up is setting up your payment options. Wix allows you to connect with a variety of payment providers, like PayPal or Stripe, depending on what's available in your region. Make sure you choose a payment method that's convenient not only for you, but also for your potential buyers. After payment options are configured, turn your attention to delivery settings. If you want the digital product sent automatically after the buyer completes the purchase, you'll choose the immediate payment option. This way, customers receive a download link both in their confirmation email and on the thank you page instantly. However, if you opt for the delayed payment option, be aware that you might need to manually confirm the payment before the link is sent. It's an extra step, but can be useful in some situations. Finally, once everything is set up, it's time to publish your product. Double-check all your settings before making it live, just to ensure that everything is in place for a smooth transaction once orders start rolling in. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to listing and selling digital downloads on your Wix site. It's a fantastic way to expand your online business and reach a different set of customers looking for digital products. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.